Let us discuss some formulas on the differentiation. What is the definition of the differentiation means? The differentiation is nothing but the rate of change of the variable. Dx by dt is the notation of the differentiation. It is the in these two types of the differentiations are there. One is ordinary differentiation, another one is the partial differentiation. In ordinary differentiation, we are differentiating with respect to one variable, that is any variable t, x, y, whatever the value. The function can be expressed in which variable we are differentiating that variable, that is the ordinary. If the function is involving two or three variables, when we are differentiating with respect to such variables, if the variables are more than one, that is nothing but the partial differential functions or partial differential equations. In that, partial notation is dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, dou f by dou z. Ordinary differentiation is, it is denoted by the small d by dx. Okay, let us discuss some formulas on the ordinary differential equations. The first, these formulas are very, very important. We should remember these formulas. By using of these formulas, we can do related problems. Okay. D by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. Differentiation. We are differentiate into small. So n into x power n minus 1, where n is a rational number. The second one is derivative of x. That should be 1. Why? Because it can be expressed in x power 1 is nothing but 1 x power 1 minus 1. So any power, any variable power is 0, that should be 1. So it is 1. Derivative of e power x is e power x. When base is e, we know that e power x log e base e is equal to 1. So it is e power x only. The derivative of a power form, these are power equations, power form of the equations or power form of the derivatives. D by dx of a power x equal to a power x into log a. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. Derivative of mod x by x, where x is not equal to 0. Next, now trigonometric functions. Trigonometric ratios are sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Derivative of sine is cos. Why? Because the sine differentiation is cos only. Sine in the differentiation. Cos derivative is minus sine. Tan derivative is secant square x. Cot x derivative is cosecant square x. Sec x derivative is sec x tan x. Cosec x derivative is minus cosec x cot x. Derivative of sine inverse x, that is equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Sine inverse, cos inverse, only negative sign will be changed. Tan inverse, cot inverse also sign will be changed. That is 1 by x square minus 1 by x square. Secant x, cosecant x also 1 by x under root of x square minus 1 minus 1 by x under root of x square minus 1. Derivative of u plus or minus v. Derivative of u plus or minus derivative of v. Derivative of u by v. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by denominator square. Last one, derivative of uv or uvw. If three are there, we can take first function derivative, the other two same, plus the second derivative, other two same, plus third derivative, other two same. These are very, very important. We have to remember these formulas. Okay. Next, we can take some problems on this differentiation. Let us take one problem. Find the derivative or differential coefficients of the following functions. First one is root x. Second one is 1 by 2x plus 3. Third one sine of 2x plus 3. Fourth tan 3x. Fifth, 1 by x square. Sixth, cos of 2x plus 3. In this, the first one, d by dx of root x, that is equal to d by dx of x power 1 by 2. Why? Because root x means that should be right. And we use the formula derivative d by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. So what is n here? 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1. Taking the LCM, 1 by 2 minus 1, 2 is the LCM, 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. So d by dx of root x equal to 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 root x. So we remember in further we use this formula derivative of root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. Direct we can substitute in the derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, you should remember this is also as a formula. Second one, d by dx of 2x plus 3. Sorry, 1 by 2x plus 3. It is equal to d by dx of 2x plus 3 whole power minus 1. So again we use the formula minus 1 into 2x plus 3 whole power minus 1 minus 1. Again d by dx of 2x plus 3. It is equal to minus 2x plus 3 whole power minus 2 d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 3. It is in the form of derivative of u plus v equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. And we know that d by dx of ax equal to a, x derivative is 1, d by dx of constant derivative is 0. So no x term. It is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 3 whole square. Derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of 3 is 0. So it is minus 2 by 2x plus 3 whole square. It is the second solution. Third one is d by dx of sine of 2x plus 3. It is not in the form of sine x. In general, derivative of sine x is cos x. Again, d by dx of x is 1. So we are taking simply cos x here. It is equal to sine of 2x plus 3 is cos of 2x plus 3. Again, taking the x derivative, that is d by dx of 2x plus 3. It is equal to cos of 2x plus 3. Derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of constant is 0. So it is 2 cos of 2x plus 3. If such type of the functions will come in future, just we can remember d by dx of sine of ax plus b is there, then it is equal to a cos of ax plus b. Okay, what is the x coefficient is there, that will come as the multiple of the derivative function. Okay, fourth one, tan 3x derivative d by dx of tan 3x. Tan x derivative d by dx of tan x derivative is secant square x. Here also we can take it is secant square 3x. Again d by dx of 3x. What is the functional value is there that will come in the derivative also. So tan 3x means secant square 3x. Again derivative of 3x. If it is x is there, d by dx of x. Dx by dx, it is 1. So we are taking secant square x. But here not in x form, it is in 3x form. So again we can take the derivative of the functional involving the variable. So it is equal to 3x derivative. X derivative is 1. It is also we can taking as d by dx of 3x. 3 is a constant right outside. Dx by dx, it is equal to 1. It is this 3. And here also taking u and v. Derivative of 3 is 0. The term is vanished. So second term is there. The second term derivative is 3 only. So it is 3 secant square 3x into 3. That is equal to 3 secant square 3x. Fifth one, d by dx of 1 by x square. If such type of the functions are there, simply we can taking the denominator function is taking to numerator. It reduced to negative power. It is equal to d by dx of x power minus 2. It is in the form of d by dx of x power n, nx power n minus 1 minus 2 x power minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 2 x power minus 3. It is equal to minus 2 by x cube, that is the derivative d by dx of 1 by x square. Sixth one, it is similar to sine only. D by dx of cos of 2x plus 3. Cos derivative is minus sine of 2x plus 3. Again d by dx of 2x plus 3. It is equal to minus sine of 2x plus 3. 2x derivative is 2 plus 3 derivative is 0. So it is equal to minus 2 sine of 2x plus 3 is the solution.